Hi everybody, my name is Jason Sigler. I am the owner of Muck Farm Whitetails from Syracuse, Indiana. We do deer and turkey hunting, which we provide day hunts, we provide field hunts, and we provide large acreage leasing for deer and turkey hunting. Over the years, we use large brush hogs, all different types, all different brands, pulled with our side-by-sides, pulled with tractors. They cut extremely large paths, especially when you go into corners. We needed something that was around the 40-inch or so pattern or trail that we can actually cut. That's when I went and I did all kinds of research online. I Googled everything, you name it, I looked. Finally found a ride-on brush hog from Orec. It's called the Rover. One of the biggest and most important aspects of the Orec, when we cut trails, you can see how wide this trail is. You can see it's open. When a brush hog comes through, it takes out everything. Notice the ground, very, very little deer traffic that's there. Let me take you over here to the other side and show you an Orec cut trail and show you why it's so important. Okay, here's a trail that I cut with the Orec Rover. You can see it's narrower, which fits in. The deer love it. It's the compact size. It keeps the branches inward, so it makes the deer feel safe. The movement, you can see how much movement's gone through here. The movement's triple, probably 4 times what it was on a wider path. When we cut through here, you notice it keeps the top of the trees from getting cut, so it shades the deer, makes them feel safe. It does have locking differential on it, which will put you through anything. When you're going over the tree stumps, when you're going over the wetlands, when you get the marshy bumps when you come down in, this product will go through anything. I don't know what to say about the product other than it's just incredible. That product will cut anything.